I want to show you top 3 penny stocks that you should be buying in this market dip. The market dip always provides us with opportunities, and I think we should be able to take advantage of this opportunity. But before I show you, let's look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 give us tips on what we are going to see in the market because it tracks 500 US highly capitalized companies, and this will give us the insight how the market is faring. Before we move on, welcome to the Financial Edge. Ensure you click the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you get notified anytime I drop interesting and money making videos like this. Thank you for subscribing. Let's jump straight into today's video. So if you look at the 200-day moving average, the 200-day moving average actually give us insights to know when we're about to enter the bearish market. And with all this tariff going on, we can see them in the news. You can see, can Trump's tariff break China's grip on manufacturing? And just after all this news, we saw another news where Trump was actually making an announcement that the chip making giant Taiwan Semiconductor is actually planning to invest $100 billion in the US manufacturing, which is what Trump was actually looking for. He wants jobs to come back to where? To America. He said American first, and that is what we are seeing, and that is why I'm showing you American companies that actually has the potential to give you good returns. And as we track the S&P 500, I'm also going to give you these 3 penny stocks for you to take advantage of. Let's move straight to the chart and let's look at the S&P 500. So the S&P 500 must hold on in this region because any break below this will officially be in a bearish market, and that will send a lot of fear to many investors, and a lot of people might want to sell to hold on to their shares. And you know what will happen when many people in the market, when investors are actually selling in the market? It will continue to cascade down, and if you continue to cascade down, we actually want to see it hold strong around this region here. So if you hold strong around this region, we'll be hoping for a rebound, but anything after this region, we'll be looking at it in this region also. And if it continue to cascade, we might be coming down to this area, but I doubt if bargain hunters will actually allow it to drop to this region. So this is just a daily chart. If we look at the weekly chart, which is long time, you will see that we are still doing well. We are still around this region also, which is also an opportunity for buyers. So this dip is actually presenting an opportunity to long-term investors and also short-term investors, because since Trump took over power, the volatility since Trump took over power, the volatility in the market has actually increased, and increased volatility equals to opportunity. So this is the monthly chart, and if you look at it overall, we are still bullish in the market. So if you look at it very well, we are bullish in the market. So this is kind of sharp recovery I'm expecting in this region also. I'm expecting a dip here like this, then we'll make a higher lows before we shoot up, because we are in a bullish trend. So let's dash straight into 4 hours. Let's see what our chart will give us. So in 4 hours, we've actually touched this region, and we are actually below the 200-day moving average. So let's jump straight to the stocks I want to show you guys, and these stocks are actually unique. So let me give you guys, we are looking at let me take it to US. So the first stock I want to give you guys is actually LifePerson. So LifePerson is one unique stock that you can actually make good returns from it. Right now it's below $1, and this is when I always want to bring it to your notice so that you can actually take advantage of it. This is the 4 hours chart, and let's just focus on this region so you see what is actually happening in LifePerson. So this is LifePerson for you. You can see this area has actually been a ranging market. From 31st of December, LifePerson actually did a 100% return. So I want you to get in below $1. So if you get in below $1, in a short while, you see LifePerson in $1.50, and that will give you a 50% return. Even 10% return, you will continue to see it. It will continue to go high. So these opportunities that you see in the market this opportunity came 20, that's November. It was around this area, November, and you see it shoot up to 207. So now we have another opportunity. That is why I'm bringing this penny stock to you, so that we can make this money together. So let's look at it in terms of daily chart. So this is the daily time frame. So if you look at the daily time frame, we want to circle this area here as a support area, which was once a resistant area. So we want to look at it here and say this region is actually a buy region. You're buying at a discount, because any movement upward, you'll be able to realize your profit. So if you look at it, for those of us who might want to hold it long time, I think long time there is still huge potential there, but there's still huge potential, but you might not want to wait to actually for it to get to this point. So if you don't want to wait, you can actually do a little trade that I'm showing you now. I've shown you the 4 hours. Now I'm showing you if you want to go long time. But if you look at it in a monthly chart, you see that you're actually buying at where? At a discount. So look at it. Look at the monthly chart. So you're buying at a, these stocks are already down. So that's why I like bringing all this stuff to you, because they are down already. So you cannot even shoot below this much. So look at the overall chart and see why I'm bringing this. So guys, live person is in the AI industry, and with what is happening in the AI industry has come to stay, and this will also provide us an entry opportunity. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when my post enriching videos like this. So let's move to the second stock I want to show you guys. So the second stock I want to show you is called Fozo. So Fozo is one unique stock. This stock has actually made good money in my community. So I'm just bringing this. You can see this is the monthly chart, and you can see the L shape that I always look for. And now you're getting it at 13, at 14. You're getting it at 15. That is to say, when it gets to 30, you will be 100%. But you might not want it to get to that point. At 20-30%, you can take off your profit. And if you stick to my channel, I'm going to come up here to let you know when to actually take profit. I'll come here and tell you this is time to sell Fozo. So that is one important, and that's one benefit of subscribing to my YouTube channel. So this is the chart, and this is the weekly chart, and let's quickly move to the daily. So this is the daily chart. You see the movement. All this movement is what will take advantage of all this little movement. Now it's building up. Now if you go to the 4 hours now, you see the candle is gaining momentum gradually. You can see it here. So that is why I want you to go in. From here I want you to go in, so that any little jump will just quickly take our profit also, and that will give us good money. So Fozo has done good numbers before. You can see this same stock has done at 29 cents in February 2025, and it did another run to this point again, which is 36 cents. This one happened in 2025, also January, and it got to this point again, 37. Let's check when it happened. This happened again in January. You can see just January alone, and it got to 37 also. This happened in December 2024. So for January alone, you see we have like 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at this one. This one is February. We also experienced some in February, and we also experienced like 2 in February. So this is March now. So how many are we expecting in March? So I want you to catch the first one. That is why I'm bringing this to you early, so that you can take position, and any little jump, we are still going to bank our gains and smile to the bank for those of us who may want to withdraw some of our gains for celebration. Guys, don't forget, always take profit, always convert to physical cash, and enjoy your life. It will also bless the investor in you to do more and to recognize profit. So I hope you've been able to take advantage of this. And if you don't know where to buy, you can check the link. You can get from Bamboo. You can also get from Trade Zero in case you live in the United States or you live in outside Africa. But in Africa, you can get into Bamboo. You can buy through Chaka. I'll drop the link in the description so that you can take advantage of these stocks. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that I get notified when my post enriching videos like this. So let's move to the third one, and let's see how you're going to make money with the third one. So the third one is actually kits. This one I actually discussed it with one of my my destiny helper, so to speak. And right now, this stock was actually at a price that life person was. You can see. So I know what I'm doing, guys. So life person was actually in this area here. You can see 97. Life person is 97. So that's the same price that Kit was trading for few days ago, which was yesterday. And you can see right now it has done 21%. Is now selling for $1.18. So this stock has actually done good numbers. There was a time it got to, you can see it got to 6, and this was this year, guys. This year, 6th of January, it got to 7. It got to 7 pre-market. Now it's showing us that it got to 6, and before it retraced back to this point. So now we're about to see another move again. The question is, can this move take it to this same price? I can't tell you that, but what I'm sure is, actually, when I wanted to do this video, this company was selling for 90 something cents, and now we see it was 97.98 cents, and now it has jumped to $1.16. So let's keep an eye on it. On Friday it might shoot above this. So what am I trying to say? If you can get it at 1, if you can get it at 116, you are sure of selling it when you get to 2 or when you get to 250. So that is the possibility of this kit. So these 3 penny stocks that I've given you, they are very, very special penny stocks that you can actually make good money from it. So I'm giving you this, I'm telling you the exact price to go in, and I'm telling you that you can get in now, and in few days we'll make money together. I'll shoot another video making reference to this one when we'll be taking profit. So in case you have any stocks, in case you have any penny in mind that you want me to do a technical analysis on, you can drop it in the comment section. I promise you, on my next video, I'm going to look at those companies. I might even go further to look at their fundamentals and to see if we'll take those trades as family. Because when we all make money, we celebrate together. Just imagine 20% from yesterday to today. So if you are buying now and you now see another 20% tomorrow, you should be able to take your profit. What 20% means is, if you are trading with $1,000, if you are trading with $1,000, your profit now will be $200. That's 20%. So, and if you live in Nigeria, $200 we give you like 300,000 naira. That's 20%. That is just it. If you are trading in Nigeria, if you are trading in the United States, you don't need to convert. Making $200 a day we pay for a lot of your bills. And if you compound this like this, let's say you were able to achieve this 5 times in a month, or let's say you're able to do it 10 times in a month, that will amount to $2,000. So you know what $2,000 can do. In other words, you just doubled your capital in a month, which is doable, and which I plan to create a community where we'll be doing that also, and make this money and celebrate together. So thank you so much for watching. And if you spend time to watch this, don't forget to go to my YouTube channel. And in case you are new, don't forget to educate yourself. I have a lot of tutorial. This is number 1 tutorial, which is the small stock market masterclass. You can come here and learn just in case you're new. And this is another one to show you technical analysis. And in case you don't have an app, I showed you here how to download, how to create an account, though this is the web base. And in case you don't have laptop, I'll also do a video where I'll show you how to create an account and how to start trading using your mobile phone. So these are some few things I just want to bring to your notice. For a recap, I told you about Life Person. Life Person is one unique stocks that has been giving us money, and I just decided to give you guys so you can see Life Person coming down to this area to suck liquidity to return back to this region. So this is Life Person for you. And I also show you Fozo. These guys move a lot because they are not big. Don't allow them to fool you. And if you get for you to be time for you to take profit, you will not take profit because of their numbers. No, work with percentage. If you are putting $100 and you make 20%, that's $20. take your profit and you can withdraw $10 to do whatever thing you want to do. You want to pay bills, and if you have enough, you can just hold on to it and continue to trade. And the last one I showed you guys was actually Kit, which Kit has already started moving already. So all you need to do is to see if you can get it at one and see how you can make good profit from it. So that is Kit for you, and that is what I said. Let me jump on your face to give you these three penny stocks. So these are the penny stocks I want you to look. And if you look at the S&P 500, I told you you're supposed to hold on to this region here. And if you look at it, it was formerly 50%. It was formerly $55 down, and now you see that it's coming up gradually. So we expected it to continue to move up. This dip was actually provided an opportunity to us. So I want to see a reversal. I want to see the S&P 500 back to all-time high. Of course, the S&P 500 has always been in an upward trend, irrespective of the choppiness in the market. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit notification bell so that you get notified when my post and reaching videos like this. Until I come your way again, keep growing wealth without tears and keep impacting your community. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.